What the fuck?
Listen. I can fucking speak. Do you know how many people have said that today? Stop asking that. If you think that just what you're going to say is something new, stop right there. Stop right there. Someone said what you said already. We're all a collective consciousness. Our thoughts aren't original. Stop saying things to me unless you know they are 100% unique. Please, stop. 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 That was a Stranger Things reference. Stop. Like, just stop. Just get into it. You know? Get into the vibes. Stop asking things that, like, the locals ask. Like, that's a local question.